Are you ready to dive into the exciting future of smartphones? Apple is leading the charge, and they have some incredible innovations on the horizon. Let's explore what's next for the iPhone. Smartphones are changing rapidly, and Apple has always been at the forefront. With enhanced cameras and lightning-fast processors, iPhones remain competitive. But the real question is, what's coming next? Apple faces significant challenges. Competitors are pushing boundaries with foldable screens and more. Users have higher expectations than ever, demanding better performance, longer battery life, and new features. Balancing innovation and user experience is essential. Sophisticated smartphones can be complicated. Apple must introduce intuitive features that truly add value to users' lives. The tech landscape is evolving quickly. AI advancements are opening new possibilities. Rumors suggest Apple is developing its own smart features. But how will they appear in future iPhones? Speculation is rampant about potential features. Exciting ideas like foldable screens and new materials are circulating. Some sources indicate Apple is experimenting with a foldable design. This could change how we use devices forever. Imagine unfolding your iPhone into a larger screen. It could become a compact tablet, enhancing content consumption. This innovation would provide users with flexibility and versatility. A foldable iPhone would redefine the iPhone experience. It could adapt to various situations, ideal for work, entertainment, or socializing. This adaptability could reshape our daily tasks. Apple's journey ahead is challenging. They must weave innovation into something practical for users. Groundbreaking features must also remain user-friendly. As we look forward, foldable designs, AI enhancements, and sustainable materials stand out. These advancements promise to transform our interaction with devices. The potential for multitasking with a foldable iPhone is thrilling. Picture a split screen for editing documents while watching a guide. Productivity could reach unprecedented levels. Bending an iPhone to suit needs ranges from compact calls to larger gaming displays. This adaptable design meets modern users' diverse demands, enhancing functionality. Yet, introducing innovative designs presents challenges. Apple must rethink user interfaces for smooth transitions. Durability of foldable mechanisms is a crucial factor to consider. User feedback will guide these designs. Ergonomics matter. The device must feel comfortable. The seamless integration of hardware and software will determine success. As AI capabilities grow, users crave more personalized experiences. Imagine Siri anticipating your needs based on your routines. Upcoming iPhones could not only be smarter, but also adapt uniquely to you. Integrating AI could transform everything from reminders to smart devices, creating a connected ecosystem. Apple aims to keep the iPhone at the heart of everyday life. Yet, simplicity remains key. The essence of the iPhone is seamless usability. Balancing cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design is vital. Sustainable practices are also becoming crucial. Imagine an iPhone made from advanced materials, protecting against drops while being eco-friendly. This innovation could appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. In conclusion, the future of iPhones promises exceptional excitement. With innovative designs, advanced AI, and durable materials, the next generation of iPhones could reshape our digital lives. For more of these tech insights, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Join us every week at TechWave 65 for the latest in technology.